De Haar Castle, located in the Netherlands, is a magnificent architectural gem that attracts tourists from all over the world. Located in the city of Utrecht, this castle holds an important place in the history of the Netherlands and offers visitors a glimpse into its rich past. The castle itself is a prime example of neo-Gothic design and is surrounded by beautifully landscaped gardens. The castle's grandeur and intricate detailing make it an ideal destination for nature lovers and photography enthusiasts alike. For those planning to visit De Haar Castle, various guided tours are available that will provide useful information about its history and significance. In addition, visitors can enjoy leisurely walks in the surrounding parks or have a picnic while admiring the majestic view of the castle. In conclusion, De Haar Castle is a charming place in the Netherlands, offering a delightful combination of history, architecture, and natural beauty.